Welcome to ECN Trade Daily Video. Before we begin, it should be noted that any advice is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration. Hello everyone, my name is Rob Clayton and thank you very much for joining me. To start today's webinar, the Australian dollar still remains weak after the failed attempt overnight above that 76 handle. In light of the current pattern, I'm looking for a further move down to the target of 75.35.45, and since the break of that 75.95 support last week, lower to the objective that I've got here at 74.80 and reassess from there. Any advances beyond the 76 handle should find resistance at 15 and then 55. The euro still remains weak since the failed attempts above that 106 handle, with the dollar, US dollar that is, slowly recovering. I do expect to see further tests to the downside, with the immediate support coming in at 105.20, with the objective holding at 104.55.70 and reassess from there. The dollar yen case still holds above that 113.40 support, and while it does, I expect to see further demand to take on the challenge of 114.20 to up towards that recent resistance around 114.70 and reassess from there. In the unlikely event we get a break of 113.40, then this would see the downside objective reinstated to 111.60.70. Sterling's weakness continues on, as you can see by the overnight price action. The market is closing in on that 121.40 support level. It is viewed that beneath there could see further weakness towards 120.60, with the flash crash holding at around 118. Resistance on the day comes in now at 122.60. Gold is weaker and now takes out the support of 12.18 and now looks towards 12.11 as a potential target, with scope now of seeing a move lower to the region of 11.80 and reassess from there. Resistance caps at 12.24 on the day. And oil, little unchanged really. The market still capped at 54.60, with the objective still holding towards 49.60. So that wraps up my daily video. Thank you very much for joining me. And as always, look out for the intraday report that will be released shortly.